Camera H, part 3. Monkey wrench macro. Assert close to equal for two numbers to check our floating point math. We have the camera H VP1 function. First thing we need to do is get the rough size of the camera. So here's the zoom factor, which needs to be between -1 and +1 for zooming in and out. This is going to be the axis of VP1. We don't know which axis. Here's both axes of VP1, which we don't know yet. We are going to scale by the zoom factor. If we are not zoomed in nor zoomed out, then the done is equal to the 0 basis. Here's what we do if we are zooming in. Here's what we do if we are zooming out for the done. After we have the rough size of the camera, we need to know both edges, but we need to know if we are inscribed, circumscribed, or none. We're going to need the magnitude of VP0 because VP0 and VP1 must be proportional. This is going to be the minor axis percentage for the axis that is not scaled to the done or not snapped to the done. If we are inscribed, here's the diagram. This is our 0 basis, and this is VP1 right here. And if it is a vertical layout, it's the same idea. 0 basis, and here is VP1. This is the horizontal code. Here is the math. This is the vertical code. Here is the math. And this is if we are outscribed. And here is VP1 here. Here is the 0 basis. Here is VP1 here. Here is the 0 basis. This is for horizontal layout. This is for vertical layout. Here's the horizontal case. Here is the math. I had to use algebra because I couldn't understand what I was doing. Here is us checking the math. Here is the vertical case right here. And we are doing the math right here. And then we are checking our math right here. Then, if we are neither circumscribed or inscribed, we just directly assign the done to the VP0 width axis and the VP1 width axis and the VP1 height axis. We are still not done, but we have covered enough in this tutorial. This is what we did in the previous video. This is some footnotes. This is what we did in this video down here. And you can like and subscribe or go here if this was too fast for you. So this was video number 110.